and it failed here also. Now here's another method from fedoraproject.org on how to install. This is the command that I'm running on the Linux environment now. Okay, I've typed something wrong, so let me redo it. ENF space DROUP space INSTALL KDE-desktop-environment. And I'm saying yes. Okay, at the very bottom it says it's complete, and the instructions call for the next step is to reboot. After system is rebooted, click your name on the GDM and click Settings, cogwheel icon in the lower right. So this is what we'll do next. So we're rebooting. Click your name at the GDM screen, then click the Settings cogwheel. So I'm clicking my name, and I'm hitting the Settings cogwheel, and I'm going to switch to Plasma. And then I'm going to put in the password. And this appears to have the Plasma desktop now set up. So there is an issue with the CENGAGE instructions on how to install Plasma. So as you can see, the whole desktop has now changed to the KDE interface instead of the GNOME interface. I think I like this one better. Thank you.